Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview, based on my personal experience using the platform, are down in the description below. Here's my take on Interactive Advisors, a hybrid robo-advisor platform. It blends automated portfolio management with the valuable option of human guidance. This makes it a truly adaptable investment solution, perfect for those seeking a customized approach alongside professional insights. It caters to a broad spectrum of investors, from beginners taking their first steps in the market to seasoned investors looking for a streamlined, cost-effective, and tailored investment strategy. A key strength of Interactive Advisors lies in its diverse portfolio options. They offer a comprehensive range of professionally managed portfolios, encompassing index tracking strategies, sophisticated asset allocation models, and thematic portfolios focused on specific sectors. These include high-growth areas like technology, socially responsible investing through ESG, environmental, social, and governance principles, and income-generating dividend-focused portfolios. What truly sets them apart is the ability to create custom portfolios, allowing investors to exclude specific stocks or even entire sectors, offering a degree of personalization rarely found elsewhere. This level of control is a game changer for investors who want a more active role in shaping their investment portfolios. Cost effectiveness is another compelling advantage. Interactive Advisors boasts a competitive fee structure, with management fees ranging from a remarkably low 0.08% to 1.5% annually, based on the chosen portfolio. The minimum investment requirement is surprisingly accessible, starting at just $100 for certain portfolios. This opens the door for a wider range of users to begin investing. The platform's support for fractional shares is a thoughtful addition, ensuring even small investment amounts are efficiently allocated across your chosen assets. Transparency is a cornerstone of the Interactive Advisors experience. Users gain clear visibility into the underlying holdings of each portfolio, along with access to key performance metrics and valuable insights directly from the portfolio managers. This depth of information empowers investors to make well-informed decisions, aligning their strategy with their individual financial goals. Furthermore, the platform offers tax loss harvesting for eligible accounts, a valuable feature that can significantly optimize after-tax returns. The platform's user interface is sleek and intuitive, integrating seamlessly with the broader Interactive Brokers ecosystem. It offers a suite of tools for performance tracking, goal setting, and access to a wealth of financial insights. For those seeking personalized guidance, Interactive Advisors provides direct access to human portfolio managers for specific strategies, effectively bridging the gap between automated efficiency and personalized service. In conclusion, Interactive Advisors excels due to its highly customizable portfolios, affordability, and professional oversight. It presents a compelling choice for investors seeking the combined benefits of automated efficiency and the expertise of human advisors. Whether you are a novice investor just starting out or a seasoned investor seeking more advanced options, this platform has something to offer. Click the links in the description to explore further and determine if Interactive Advisors aligns with your unique financial objectives.